In terms of efficacy, the agents appear to be fairly similar. And so they all seem to have a response rate around 60% in patients who are T790M positive. And so in terms of guidelines, one would imagine that once those agents are approved, they would all be in a similar category. Right now, none of those drugs are category 1 because they're based on phase 1 studies. They're not large randomized phase 3 trials, but we know that those are ongoing. I think the big difference between the agents are the subtleties and toxicities. So unlike the first generation inhibitors where rash and diarrhea is the big driver of toxicities, these drugs don't seem to do that. But with ruxolitinib, for example, we've seen hyperglycemia. With ASP8273, we've seen some hyponatremia and some paresthesias. And so toxicities may affect patient compliance and may affect outcomes. Now with osimertinib, we still do see a little bit of rash. So that is a toxicity that we see with osimertinib. So all the agents will, as they get approval, will likely be included in the guidelines. And at this time, similarly, how you can't really distinguish erlotinib, dafitinib, afatinib in terms of efficacy except for that one study, but we do distinguish their toxicities. We know with afatinib, although it seems a little bit better, there's more rash and diarrhea. I don't think we'll distinguish the third generation inhibitors in terms of efficacy, but there may be different toxicities that we're managing with these patients.